Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V4 Vloggers. We came back from that kayaking and I'm going to show the place where we stayed yesterday. It's called Gostel, basically a dormitory. I'm going inside this dormitory now. I'll show the rooms and the facilities available here. I'm going inside this hostel now. Let's meet Nelson. If not Nelson, someone else will guide us through. Area. You can see all these are parked for Gostel only. The stay was really good, guys. I'm going inside Gostel now. I'll show you the dormitories which they have. They have private rooms also. They have mixed dormitories, and they have single rooms, 4 dormitories, 6 dormitories, 8 dormitories. They have all kinds of dormitories here. So we'll go through all of them. I'll just show them everything. I'll just show all the dormitories now. And now we are going to the chill area. I'll show the chill area. It's really nice. The view from chill area is also really good. So they have a chill area on top. I'm going to show that now. You can hang out here. This is really cool when you want to spend some time overnight here. So this is the chill area on top. You can spend some time over here. You can get your food or drinks, whatever you want. This is the view from top here. So now I am going inside the dormitory. So this is the 4-bed dormitory. 4-bed with AC.
ये वाला फीमेल डॉग
ठीक है एंड कोई है क्या एंड दिस इज फॉर फीमेल्स द सेम डॉर्मेटरी so there are 4 private rooms here and they are completely full, so I couldn't show that now, but it's the same way. All they have in AC and without AC also, and this one is
ये सिंगल बेड
a single bed. Okay. So this one is single bedroom, and they have a washroom here.
ये 6 बेड AC
Okay.
मिक्स डॉग
So this is mixed dorm with 6 beds with AC. And this is 18 bed dorm. They have 3 rooms here. And this is 6 bed. And the other room has 8 beds which is occupied, and we were staying there. So this is 8 bed dormitory where we stayed yesterday.
वेरी गुड लाख रुपए पगार है यांना
Yeah, that's it, guys. So they have 4 private rooms, and they have a mixed dormitory, normal dormitory, 6 bed, 4 bed, 8 bed. They have all kinds of dormitory here. I'll link his details in the description. You can call him, or you can also visit their website. So you will get more details here. From there you can book. and this is their common area, and you also get free Wi-Fi here. They have TV, and this is a common area where you can chill out. You can see these people have written some feedback about Gostel.
हॉस्टल वर्ल्ड, हाँ हॉस्टल वर्ल्ड, अगोड़ा, मेक माई ट्रिप, ऑरेंज
Booking.com. Okay. So they are registered in almost all the famous sites like Make My Trip, Agoda, bookings.com, and you can call them directly also. I'll link their number and their website in the link, in the description. So you can call them and you can book. Thank you, man. अच्छा था stay.